Hey, this is Ashley, and I'm going to show you how to get this bronzy beach eye with a little blue eyeliner. That's real easy. Okay, first I'm going to start with a little Lime Life concealer to use as my eye primer. This just helps give me a nice even color before I get started, and also gets rid of any moisture that I have in my eye so that eyeshadow will stay on and stay longer. And then what I'd like to do is take a little bit of my Lime Life translucent powder and put all over the eye. And again, this just gives me a really nice base and a great place to start. I love doing this. Look. Okay, Hoola. This is a bronzer you can use on your face and also in the crease of your eye. This helps with, as you get older, if you have kind of hooded eyes, it gives you a new crease and it just gives you a good starting point. Then when you get your favorite color, which is a Lime Life, really bronzy color, I can't remember the name of it, but it is beautiful and it just has a little bit of shimmer, not too much. Here it is. And if you notice, I'm just kind of putting it everywhere in the crease. My brush is pretty fluffy. There's no specific way to do it. I just kind of like to keep blending, 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 blending. That's the whole key, which makes it just so beautiful. Then I take a good old Q-tip. And what does the Q-tip do? Well, we can just run it along the lower lid or underneath the eye, and it just kind of blends it really nice. Then I like to go back in and add a little bit of a sparkly gold color in the corner, and that just gives you a nice little pop. Nothing crazy. All of these colors are just kind of shimmery, not a lot of glitter or anything. Well, I say that now, but I might add a little bit of glitter in a minute. But again, the key is to blending, get fluffy brushes and just blend. Now what I do, and this is my favorite thing to do when I do eyes, I'm using a Bobbi Brown navy black pencil, and I'm going in the waterline, and you see it's like, what it's going to do is just make my lashes look real full. I do not have fake lashes. My lashes are a little sparse, but when I do this, man, boom, it really helps. Now here comes the fun blue. When I think like a bronzy beachy look, I just think of blue somewhere because of like the water. So this is a wonderful color. It is from Ulta, and it is a gel eyeliner. It's a great, great color, and just kind of throw it on. Now the exciting part we were just talking about, not necessarily crazy glitter, but I've got a Stila powder that is a very beautiful bronze color, and it just gives you that extra pop. That's where that underneath color and primer came in really handy because it's going to make it stick. Now we can't forget to frame the eyes, and what I'm doing here is I have a eyebrow pencil. I believe this is in the number 3, it's Benefit, and then I cover over top of it with a little bit of gel to keep them in place. You gotta do the brows, lady, gotta do the brows. And then I go back in with that bronzer, that Benefit Hoola bronzer, just to kind of blend everything together so it's not too crazy, like definite lines. We got to keep it all blended. And then of course my favorite thing in the whole wide world are curling my eyelashes. I've got long lashes, but they have no curl. So I do that, and then I get a mascara and just go to town. And hello, that always happens. Why does that happen? Like you're in a hurry and you're like, oh, why do I get a big old clumper right on my cheek? But it's no big deal because you can get it out very easily. All I have to do is get a little Q-tip, roll it around. Actually, if it's dry, it works a little bit better. But I'm going to go ahead and get the Q-tip, get it off, and then just get a little concealer and tap it right over it. And now that I put that on, I think that looks a little bit better. So I'm going to do both sides. And yes, 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 yes. Perfection. I really like that. So here's pretty much the complete look. I've got it all together. I'm going to add just a little bit more blending on the bottom and the side, and I got that fancy little Q-tip out again, and I've got that pretty sparkly, shimmery brown with a little bit of gold in it, and just blend it all together. And what do you know? I'm good to go.